I'm responsible for the customer order management in the North District, Eastern Europe market, located in Warsaw, Poland. The supply chain is the most interesting area, in my view. As a linking pin, we are between the customer sales and also our factories and the warehouse. Our design plays a role in here. Design can design everything, sales can sell everything, and we as a supply chain need to deliver that. My team is mixed in terms of the knowledge, in terms of experience, in terms of age. So it's really the combination of the different people. We need to have that because our customers are also different. So I'm here for 18 years already. I still feel comfortable. The organization giving a lot of opportunities. You can change the role, you can change the place, you can change the country. You can develop yourself as you wish. In terms of lighting, I think we are at the beginning. It's not only making the dark light, but it's giving the feeling, giving the atmosphere, well-being even. And also it's sharing the information, so it's unbelievable the possibilities.